Welcome to Best Ever Tour Channel, everyone. Today we're lacing up our walking shoes and embarking on an adventure through the most pedestrian-friendly cities in Asia. Get ready to experience the thrill of discovering hidden alleys, soaking in the local atmosphere, and tasting incredible street food, all on foot. Let's get started. Our first stop takes us to Dubai, a city often associated with towering skyscrapers and luxurious experiences. Start your walking adventure in the Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, also known as Bastakia. This charming district is a step back in time with its narrow alleyways, traditional wind towers, and beautifully restored houses. Next, make your way to the Dubai Museum, housed in the 18th century Al Fahidi Fort. It's a fascinating journey through Dubai's transformation from a small fishing village to a global metropolis. Afterward, take a stroll along Dubai Creek, the heart of old Dubai. Hop on an abra, a traditional wooden boat, for a scenic ride across the creek. Our next destination takes us to Phnom Penh, the vibrant capital city of Cambodia. Begin your walking tour at the Royal Palace, the official residence of the King of Cambodia. The palace's stunning architecture and serene gardens offer a glimpse into the country's royal heritage. Just a short walk from the Royal Palace, you'll find the National Museum of Cambodia. This impressive museum showcases a vast collection of Khmer art and artifacts. From the museum, take a leisurely stroll along the riverside to Sisowath Key. Get ready for an explosion of energy as we arrive in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Start your urban adventure in District 1, the heart of Ho Chi Minh City. Here you'll find a captivating blend of French colonial architecture, modern skyscrapers, and traditional Vietnamese shophouses. No visit to Ho Chi Minh City is complete without a visit to Ben Thon Market. This sprawling market is a sensory overload, with vendors selling everything from fresh produce to street food. For a dose of history, head to the War Remnants Museum. This poignant museum documents the harsh realities of the Vietnam War. Prepare to be moved by the exhibits and stories shared within its walls. Yerevan, Armenia, where ancient history meets modern charm. Our next stop takes us to Yerevan, the charming capital of Armenia. Begin your exploration at Republic Square, the heart of Yerevan. This grand square is surrounded by impressive buildings from the Soviet era. From Republic Square, take a leisurely stroll down Northern Avenue, a pedestrian-only street lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. For panoramic views of the city and Mount Ararat, climb the Cascade, a monumental staircase adorned with sculptures and fountains. From the top, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking vistas. Singapore, a city of gardens and walkways. Get ready to be amazed by Singapore, a futuristic city-state that seamlessly blends urban landscapes with lush greenery. Start your exploration in Marina Bay, Singapore's iconic waterfront district. Here, you'll be greeted by stunning views of the Marina Bay Sands and the Art Science Museum. Next, immerse yourself in nature at Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic park home to awe-inspiring super trees. No trip to Singapore is complete without experiencing its vibrant street food scene. Head to hawker centers like Lau Pa Sat to savor a wide variety of delicious and affordable dishes. Chiang Mai, Thailand, a city of temples and charm. Our next adventure takes us to Chiang Mai, Thailand, a city renowned for its ancient temples and vibrant night markets. Begin your journey at Wat Phra That Doi Suthep, the most revered temple in Chiang Mai. Back in the city, wander through the atmospheric streets of the old city, stopping to admire temples like Wat Chedi Luang. Be sure to visit on a Sunday evening for the Chiang Mai Sunday Walking Street Market. For a truly unique experience, take a cooking class and learn the art of Thai cuisine. Get ready to step back in time as we arrive in Kyoto, Japan, the country's former capital. Start your Kyoto adventure in Gion, the city's geisha district. Be sure to visit Kiyomizu-dera Temple, famous for its wooden stage that offers panoramic views. Next, immerse yourself in the tranquility of Arashiyama, a scenic district located on the outskirts of Kyoto. Here, you can stroll through the iconic Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Visit the Tenryuji Temple. No trip to Kyoto is complete without experiencing a traditional tea ceremony. Our next destination takes us to Luang Prabang, Laos, a UNESCO World Heritage City. Start your day early and witness the daily almsgiving ceremony, a sacred ritual where monks collect offerings from locals. Next, visit Wat Cheng Thong, the most important temple in Luang Prabang. For panoramic views of the city and the Mekong River, climb Mount Pusi. In the evening, browse the stalls at the Luang Prabang night market. Be sure to sample some delicious Lao street food while you're there. Luang Prabang's laid-back atmosphere and stunning natural beauty make it a joy to explore on foot. Get ready to experience a melting pot of cultures in Georgetown, Malaysia. Start your exploration in the heart of Georgetown, where you'll find colorful colonial buildings. Be sure to visit the Ku Kongzi, an elaborately decorated Chinese clan house. Next, wander through the narrow streets and alleyways, admiring the unique street art. No trip to Georgetown is complete without experiencing its legendary street food scene. Head to hawker centers like Gurney Drive to savor a wide variety of Malaysian, Chinese, and Indian dishes. Our next adventure takes us to Ubud, Bali, a place where lush rice paddies meet ancient temples. Begin your Ubud exploration with a walk through the Tagalalang rice terraces. Next, immerse yourself in Balinese culture with a visit to the Ubud monkey forest. For a spiritual experience, visit Tirta Empul Temple, a sacred water temple. The temple's serene atmosphere and beautiful architecture make it a truly special place. Ubud's serene atmosphere and natural beauty make it a perfect destination for exploring on foot. Get ready to be enchanted by Kandy, Sri Lanka, a city nestled amidst rolling hills and tea plantations. Start your Kandy adventure with a visit to the Temple of the Tooth Relic. Next, take a stroll around Kandy Lake, a picturesque lake located in the heart of the city. The lake is surrounded by lush greenery and offers stunning views of the surrounding hills. For a taste of Sri Lankan culture, visit the Kandy Cultural Show. The show is a great way to learn about Sri Lankan culture and traditions. Get ready to experience the spiritual heart of the Himalayas in Kathmandu, Nepal. Begin your Kathmandu adventure in Durbar Square, the city's historic heart. Be sure to visit the Kumari Bahal, the residence of the living goddess Kumari. Next, immerse yourself in the spiritual atmosphere of Buddhanath Stupa. For panoramic views of the Kathmandu Valley and the Himalayas, hike up to Swayambhunath Stupa. The temple is perched atop a hill and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Male Maldives island life in the capital. Start your Male exploration at the Male Fish Market, a bustling hub where local fishermen bring in their daily catch. Next, visit the Old Friday Mosque, the oldest mosque in the Maldives. This historic mosque, built with coral stone, features intricate carvings and a serene atmosphere. For a taste of Maldivian culture, visit the National Museum. The museum houses a collection of artifacts and exhibits showcasing the country's history and heritage. Hoi An, Vietnam, a city of lanterns and tailors. Start your Hoi An adventure with a stroll through the ancient town, admiring the colorful merchant houses and the iconic Japanese-covered bridge. Be sure to visit the Fujian Assembly Hall, a beautifully preserved Chinese temple. Next, indulge in Hoi An's culinary delights with a cooking class. In the evening, witness the magic of Hoi An as the town lights up with colorful lanterns. Take a boat ride down the Thuban River and release a lantern into the water for good luck. Pokhara, Nepal, a lakeside paradise. Start your Pokhara adventure with a boat ride on Phiwa Lake, the second largest lake in Nepal. The lake offers stunning views of the Annapurna Range, including the iconic Fishtail Mountain. Next, hike up to the World Peace Pagoda, a Buddhist stupa located on a hilltop overlooking Pokhara. The pagoda offers panoramic views of the city, the lake, and the Himalayas. For a closer look at the Annapurna Range, take a paragliding trip. Outro, happy exploring. And there you have it, the 15 best Asian cities to explore by foot. Remember, the best way to truly experience a city is to immerse yourself in its streets, interact with locals, and savor the local flavors. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and share your favorite walking city in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring.